Top quality auto glass services in Tacoma, Washington. Tacoma windshields and window repair and replacement. When your car or truck's windshield, window or mirrors are broken, you need help fast. Action Auto Glass in Tacoma, Washington is always ready and willing to take action. Your Tacoma windshield and auto glass repair replacement company. Local and mobile auto glass services, you come to us, or we come to you. We have an auto glass shop here in Tacoma you can come to for windshield repair replacement services. Or we come to you to provide mobile auto glass services, whichever provides the greatest convenience for you. Auto Glass Replacement Tacoma, WA by our highly trained team. Auto Glass Repair from Spanaway to South Seattle. We are an automotive glass replacement provider for both cash and insurance customers. Thanks to our unwavering focus on customer service, convenience, installation quality and safety, our customers trust us to get them back on the road in a safe and timely manner. Our professionally trained auto glass replacement, AGR, technicians, utilizing the leading brand in automotive primers and adhesives help to ensure all our work exceeds the manufacturer's recommendations. We shop all of our vendors to bring you the highest quality parts at the best prices available today. You deserve the very best. Our expertise and quality of materials make the difference. Do you have questions or concerns? Call us today to learn more about our auto glass replacement services. As proof of our commitment to quality and customer service, we provide a lifetime warranty on all auto glass installations for as long as you own or lease the vehicle. Minor rock chip repair without replacing the windshield. No money, no problem. No out-of-pocket cost. Most insurance companies will pay us to repair your windshield. It has been proven that 80% of windshield rock chips are repairable. Rock chip repairs usually involve no out-of-pocket expense and takes less than 20 minutes. In fact, insurance companies want us to repair rock chips as it saves them money. If a windshield has a rock chip and is not repaired quickly, it may spread, and will need to be replaced. Insurance companies would prefer to spend a fraction of the cost to repair a